The ECOPower Hybrid generator from Atlas Copco is a mobile power unit that fully integrates a QAS diesel generator with Atlas Copco's take on an energy storage system, the ZBP.
Featuring 2 units on a single trailer, the ECOPower Hybrid generator comes pre-wired with cam lock cables and communication harnesses, providing to end users with a rental-ready machine right from the factory. The unit also comes with 2 unique DC solar chargers, allowing for separate connections for east and west facing solar panels, ensuring efficient collection of solar energy throughout the day, and enabling near-zero emission sites by allowing renewables to become the main source of power. The intuitive cabinet design of the ZBP sections off different key components like the inverters and the LFP batteries, ensuring proper airflow and heat dissipation to provide best-in-class performance and long asset lifetime. Full control of the hybrid generator is achieved with Atlas Copco's EcoController, an integrated touchscreen display that acts as the brain of the system, controlling the status of both the ZBP and the QAS generator, leading to an intuitive, plug-and-play generator system that does all of the hard work for you. All EcoPower hybrid generators will come with Atlas Copco's proprietary Cleveland Telematics module as standard, allowing for performance monitoring and configuration changes from anywhere in the world. The purpose of this unit is to make your operations more efficient. Utilizing the EcoPower Hybrid as your primary source of power can lead to reduced machine services and maintenance costs, and will ensure that you never have to worry about wet stacking. Combine these benefits with fuel savings of up to 80% and an asset lifespan 5 times that of a standard generator, and you'll be able to capture over $100,000 in operational cost savings over the lifetime of the machine. Reduced fuel consumption, paired with solar power connections, also enables lower emission job sites, helping users to achieve their science-based emissions targets and comply with any local requirements. With over 40 years in the mobile generator market, Atlas Copco has the experience needed to not only create a hybrid generator, but to properly integrate it into a rental-ready unit. The EcoPower Hybrid provides both the highest peak power and storage capacity of a hybrid generator on a single trailer. This allows you to cover peak loads that your job requires, while still maintaining the longest period of low noise operations in the market.
If you need a solution to make your operations more efficient, you can always trust in the predictable power of Atlas Copco.